What are the three most common mistakes everyone makes during traveling? Show drafts. Overpacking. This classic mistake can weigh you down physically and mentally, impacting your travel experience. Packing light reduces stress, makes transportation easier, and allows you to adapt to unexpected situations. Sticking to a rigid itinerary. While planning gives you a framework, being overly rigid can make you miss spontaneous opportunities or struggle with unexpected changes. Be flexible, embrace the flow of travel, and leave room for serendipitous moments. Falling into tourist traps. Popular tourist attractions can be overpriced, crowded, and offer a less authentic experience. Venture beyond the usual spots, research local recommendations, and seek genuine connections with the culture and people. Here are some bonus mistakes to avoid. Not researching local customs and etiquette. Showing respect for local traditions enhances your experience and avoids cultural faux pas. Ignoring safety precautions. Be aware of potential risks at your destination. Take necessary precautions and trust your gut instinct. Neglecting your health. Pack essential medications, stay hydrated, and prioritize your well-being to fully enjoy your travels. Remember, the key to avoiding these mistakes is planning, research, and being open to adapting and embracing the unexpected. Bon voyage, please subscribe, and thank you for watching an info on travel video.